Hello everyone, my name is Ron Eslinger. I'm a registered nurse, a certified registered nurse anesthetist. I have a master's degree and I'm board certified hypnotist, certified master instructor, and an order of braid. This is course number 12043, which should be used in any communication. And I'm here to talk to you about emergency medical services. The Stress to PTSD to Suicide workshop. I am the owner of Healthy Visions, a training company, and our logo represents the nursing lamp of learning and the caduceus for clinical and medical hypnosis. I'm the author of Hypnosis, Putting the Imagination to Work. Here's an example of what we do at Healthy Visions. These pictures are from an actual EMS class. Within this lecture on the board, there's where I'm talking about the quality world within the mind that grows according to our thoughts. And then I'm doing a strength versus happy thought and stressful thought. The video that you'll be watching is actually one that was created for corporate training, as the information on the EMS one about suicide was too sensitive to put out to the public. Objectives. The participant will be able to 1. View the first 2 hours of a live workshop. 2. Identify the 3A approach to stressful situations. And 3. Access to workshop development materials. Introduction. The training video you are about to see is a live presentation of Best Practices for Surviving Stress, a corporate and community workshop that I created. I use the same materials and format in the EMS PTSD to Suicide program in creating and presenting the County EMS Supervisors Program. First responder stress can lead to PTSD and suicide. Part 1 of the program starts now. I will be available for questions at the end of the video.